So there are millions upon millions of YouTube channels out there. And I think there's a stat that says over 50%, I think it's even close to like 60 or 70% of YouTube channels have less than 1,000 subscribers. So that goes to show you trying to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is not an easy task. But I do want to keep you encouraged, because somebody like me, an introvert, someone that has had struggle of being confident on camera, even afraid to like vlog in public and stuff like that, has been able to reach 1,000 subscribers. And now my channel is over 5,000 subscribers strong. So I want to keep you encouraged, because if somebody like me can do it, I know you can do it. But I wanted to create this video to let you know of one of the tools that I've been using literally my entire YouTube career, and that is TubeBuddy. So in this video, I'm gonna explain some of the best features that I normally use on a day-to-day basis, and hopefully, learning about TubeBuddy and you implementing it within your own channel can help you reach 1,000 subscribers faster. So the first feature that I want to talk about is the Search Explorer tool, okay? I use this all the time, especially when I'm doing my keyword research for my videos. I strongly recommend do not just create content, do your research, okay? Because the worst thing that you could do is create a video thinking that people want to watch it and you get no views, you get no likes and stuff like that. So you want to make sure that you do as much research as possible before you press that record button. And this Keyword Explorer tool lets you know if you're going after a good title, if people are searching for that topic, etc. Okay, so let's just say, because I create content around social media and Instagram and entrepreneurship, merch, all that stuff. Let's just say I look up a title. Let's just say how to start a t-shirt business, right? At home, because that's popular. Boom. This is the search results, okay? Shout out to my good friend, Defined by Alex. If you guys are not subscribed to Defined by Alex, make sure that you're subscribed to her channel, because it's super, super dope. But I'll actually show here in the Search Explorer tool what the search volume is per month. Can I rank for that title? And all that stuff. So when you are looking for what topics to create on YouTube, this is really, really good, because it'll give you a good indication of, how likely you are to rank for that title, So when you're doing your research, make sure that you check this out. Now, I will say this isn't 100% accurate, but it does give you some type of base mark to know, like, hey, maybe this is a good topic for me to talk about on my YouTube channel, okay? So that's one of the first features that I really, really like. Now, the second feature that I like is this bulk find and replace text. Now, when you have a smaller channel, you may not see the value of this. When you have hundreds of videos and literally all you need to change is like your Instagram name or a link or something like that, trying to go through hundreds and hundreds of videos will literally kill you, okay? It's literally impossible, but this find and replace tool is like godsend, okay? So I'm gonna show you how it works. So you click find and replace, boom, and then you find the text that you wanna remove, okay? So if there's a text that you wanna remove, you upload it. So let's just say I wanna go to my video. Let's just say I wanna go to this video here. And I need to change this link here, right? I need to change this section. So I click copy, go back. Here, find and replace. You put this, right? And it's gonna find every video that has that statement. And let's just say I need to change the link, and I'll change it to whatever the new, bit.ly link is. And it's gonna go through my entire videos, all of them, and change it. Listen, when I figured out this, it saved me so much time and effort, you guys. Like, this is super elite. So that is my second favorite feature. Especially if once you reach 1,000 subscribers, you probably have more videos. If you want to get, more, if you need to change like your Instagram, or if you change anything like that, or if you change some of your links for your affiliate links, stuff like this, this is a godsend, okay? Now, the last feature that I use all the time is looking at people's tags and their keywords that they use with their videos. Now, I will say as a disclaimer, YouTube has come out and said the tags don't have that much an effect of how your videos ranks, but still, I like to use this to have a good idea or framework of, just to make sure like my SEO of my video and all that stuff is together, okay? And so what I'll do is, let's just say I search something like how to grow on YouTube, and it'll pop up, and let's take somebody very popular. Shout out to Nick Neiman, very, very good channel. I'll pull up his channel, and then I'll look and see, okay, it'll tell me, what are some of the tags that he's using and where he's ranking for those particular tags, okay? And it'll come in and say that specifically. So let's just say I want to also, try to rank for a similar topic, right? I can use some of his tags within my own video, so I don't have to do as much keyword research. Literally, you can look at his tags, and then you can also look at his description to see, okay, I see the correlation. I see how he was able to do it. Boom. So as you can read here, his description reads, learn how to grow on YouTube in 2021 by doing the things mentioned in this video. YouTube channel growth isn't luck or magic. Therefore, there's a handful of things that you can focus on to get real results this year on your channel. This video shares those things, right? So the reason why he was able to rank is because, for one, he has grow on YouTube in 2021 by doing these things. And then he has it again in the description, and then he has it again in the tags. And then also, depending on how well his, viewer duration and audience duration also played a factor in him ranking this video, okay? But as you can see, all three are aligned, okay? So he has it in his tags, he has it in his description, and he has it as his title. So he has a very good chance to rank on YouTube, okay? And so I like to look at these things to kind of get a leg up on my own competition, to see, how well people are doing, what SEO strategies that they're implementing, and I like to implement them as well on my channel, and those things, and TubeBuddy definitely helps you to do that, okay? So if you haven't done so already, make sure that you click the link in the description down below to check out TubeBuddy. Again, I use it all the time. And as well, if you get value out of this video, make sure that you like it and subscribe, and then check out my last video right here. I know you will like it.